There it is, everyone. It's all done, ready to run, and ain't going fucking nowhere. Randy's ringing pinion frickin' screwed up and put the wrong frickin' parts in my rear end, and my frickin' shit don't move. Axles are too short, and the drums are hitting the frickin' backing plates. So it's like my brakes are on when I'm driving, except for it's metal on metal grabbing. It's pretty frickin' cool. But here's the exhaust. Oh, shut the car off. So we can just say that I'm super happy. I went to go drive it last night at like 10:30 and had a problem and took it all apart. Like, I screwed the brakes up and found out that it was the backing plate. Say that 3-inch makes me a little bit happier, but I'm still pretty fucking pissed. I want to go fucking drive it. So much quieter inside now that the exhaust exits out the side. Tow truck is supposed to be on its way up in a little bit from Randy's to freaking pick this thing up and take it to them so they can fix it. They wanted me to pull the axles out and bring them to them and swap them, and the axles they wanted to give me weren't even the right bolt pattern. So I was like, hey, I paid y'all to freaking do it in the first place. Y'all didn't put the wrong ones in, ain't my fault. And I paid you to do it. I'm not voiding my warranty. Oh, where'd your warranty? Okay, well that's fine. I paid y'all to do it. You can give me back all my money? No? Then I guess you better come get my car. So, still fucking pissed. Oh my god, I'm so pissed. Alright, well, take it easy, y'all. Peace.